In a notable shift in defense procurement strategies, Sweden's Gripen E fighter aircraft has garnered significant attention from Canada following successful demonstrations in Portugal. The Gripen E, a modern multi-role fighter, has been praised for its advanced capabilities, cost-effectiveness, and adaptability in diverse combat environments. Canada, which is currently in the process of replacing its aging fleet of CF-18 Hornets, has closely monitored the developments surrounding the Gripen E and its potential as a suitable replacement. Portugal, a NATO member state with shared defense interests with Canada, hosted the latest demonstration, showcasing the Gripen E's superior performance in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat scenarios. This demonstration was crucial as it provided Canadian defense officials with a first-hand look at how the Gripen E could potentially fit into their long-term defense strategy. The Gripen E's design focuses on advanced avionics, superior radar systems, and cutting-edge weaponry, making it an attractive option for countries seeking modern fighters at a reasonable cost. Canada's interest in the Gripen E was further heightened by the aircraft's performance in Portugal, where it outperformed competitors in several critical areas, including speed, agility, and operational flexibility. Canada's Royal Canadian Air Force, RCAF, is evaluating various options to ensure the next-generation fighter can meet the nation's defense needs and strategic goals. The Gripen E's strong performance has placed it firmly on the radar of Canadian defense officials, signaling a possible future collaboration. This aircraft offers a unique balance of advanced technology and operational efficiency, presenting a promising alternative to other aircraft that are much more expensive and complex to maintain. The Gripen E features an array of advanced technologies that are critical for modern warfare, including a highly advanced electronic warfare system, AESA radar, and the ability to carry a wide variety of weapon systems. These features make it not only a capable fighter jet in traditional combat scenarios, but also highly versatile in counter-terrorism and asymmetric warfare operations. The aircraft's integration with modern weaponry systems, such as air-to-ground precision munitions and advanced air-to-air missiles, enhances its capabilities, making it ideal for use in various combat zones. As Canada seeks to modernize its defense forces, it is looking for a fighter that can perform a broad range of missions, from air superiority to close air support and strategic strikes. The Gripen E's flexibility appears to make it a strong contender for these roles. Furthermore, its ability to integrate into both Canadian and NATO defense systems further bolsters its strategic value. The aircraft's low operational cost is another key selling point for Canada. The Gripen E is known for its efficiency and affordability when compared to other Western-made jets, such as the US-built F-35. The Gripen E's cost-effectiveness is an important factor for Canada, which must balance its defense spending with other urgent priorities. Canada's defense strategy emphasizes smart spending, and the Gripen E provides a capable and modern fighter at a much more accessible price point, thereby allowing the Canadian government to allocate resources to other areas without compromising on national security. Unlike other high-end fighters, the Gripen E offers an excellent balance between performance and cost, making it an attractive option for a nation with a stringent defense budget. Moreover, the Gripen E's ability to operate from short, unprepared airstrips and its adaptability to cold climates make it well suited for Canada's vast geography and its defense needs in the Arctic region. As the security landscape in the Arctic continues to evolve with rising geopolitical tensions, Canada requires a fighter jet that is capable of operating in extreme conditions. The Gripen E's proven track record of operating in challenging environments positions it as an ideal candidate for Canadian Defence Forces, ensuring readiness in both conventional and harsh operating conditions. Canada's geographic location also requires aircraft that can operate in remote locations, and the Gripen E's capability to land on short, less maintained runways will significantly enhance Canada's operational flexibility. As Canada navigates its procurement process, it faces the challenge of balancing operational needs with budget constraints, making the Gripen E's affordability a key selling point. The Swedish fighter's price point is significantly lower than other contenders, such as the US-made F-35, which has been criticized for its high cost. Additionally, the Gripen E's flexible maintenance model offers a potential cost-saving benefit for Canada, which is keen to reduce long-term operating expenses. The aircraft's ability to operate in harsh climates and remote locations further aligns with Canada's strategic requirements, particularly given its vast northern territories and the evolving threat landscape in the Arctic. This capability allows Canada to project power and maintain a strong defense posture in one of the most geopolitically sensitive areas of the world, making it even more appealing. The Gripen E's success in Portugal has positioned it as a serious contender in Canada's ongoing fighter jet selection process. While the final decision remains pending, the Gripen E's impressive performance, coupled with its lower operational costs, makes it a strong candidate. Canada's ongoing defense needs and focus on modernization mean that the selection of a new fighter aircraft will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the Royal Canadian Air Force. The Gripen E's combination of cutting-edge technology, affordability, and performance has made it a highly attractive option for Canada, and the next steps in the procurement process will likely see it continue to garner attention from both Canadian defense officials and global military experts. Additionally, its ability to integrate with Canada's existing fleet of aircraft and operational systems gives it an edge over other models. In addition to its affordability, the Gripen E's relatively low maintenance requirements and long service life make it a more sustainable choice for Canada's long-term defense strategy. Unlike some more complex and expensive alternatives, the Gripen E is designed with cost-effective maintenance in mind, offering greater operational flexibility and reducing the need for extensive maintenance downtime. This efficiency is particularly appealing to Canadian defense planners who are working within tight budgets and need to maximize the operational availability of their assets. The aircraft's ability to remain operational for longer periods without requiring excessive maintenance ensures that Canada's military can maintain readiness without incurring substantial costs over time. The Gripen E also benefits from its extensive international support network. As several countries, including Brazil, Sweden, and the Czech Republic, already operate the Gripen E, Canada can tap into a robust and experienced user base for maintenance, training, and operational support. This international network not only ensures that Canada will have access to high-quality logistical and technical assistance, but also allows for interoperability with NATO allies who are also flying the Gripen series. This interoperability is crucial for Canada, as it strengthens its ability to engage in joint operations with NATO partners and enhances its global defense posture. The commonality of systems across NATO countries also simplifies training programs and mission planning. The aircraft's modular design allows for easier upgrades and integration of new technologies as they become available. This future-proofing capability is vital for ensuring that Canada's defense assets remain relevant and capable in the face of rapidly evolving threats. As technological advancements continue to shape the future of warfare, the Gripen E's flexibility in terms of upgrades and its capacity to incorporate new capabilities will allow Canada to maintain a technological edge in its Air Force for many years to come. This ensures that the Gripen E will continue to meet Canada's defense needs well into the future, even as the global security environment evolves. Furthermore, as the threat environment becomes more unpredictable, the ability to adapt rapidly to emerging challenges becomes increasingly important, and the Gripen E's adaptable and scalable systems will make it a key asset for Canadian defense.